welcome once again to Alpha Tube session. For past 1 week, 10 days, the whole media is discussing about toolkit case. Many are totally confused. What is a toolkit? What is it really an offense to use a toolkit? And many feel that it's a big hardware which is capable enough to hurt someone. Or is it a drill bit or a screwdriver or a tester or a gun or a grinder by which somebody is trying to attack the country? Or is it a weapon like AK-47? Or is it simply a toolkit by which somebody is trying to fly from here to Sweden, where Greta Thunberg was tweeting? Many films and fancies were hovering around toolkit. So toolkit, in a simple definition, document which describes the plan to execute certain action to achieve an objective. Very simple. We have a certain target to achieve, or a goal to achieve. So it is a description or a set of instruction, put it in a document and kept it in a common place which is accessible to many who really want to join for that particular action. Simple as that. So when it comes to office working or a service station, we can have a toolkit where the service operations are done. The toolkits will be arranged in a certain space where the set of spanners at different sizes, the bits at different sizes are kept. So as in very easily it can be taken and used it for the purpose of a socket or a spanner or a screwdriver, many at varying sizes. Similar to that, this is another of digitalization or a social media. So any protest, any move is largely associated with a social media marketing or a social media campaign. So even on a protest, when people from different parts of the globe, when they want to unite, when they want to come together and join for the same cause, so even majority won't be familiar, won't be literate on the social media, or their literacy will be differing for various platform. For Twitter, somebody will be very conversant with Facebook, may not be with Twitter. Okay, but Twitter may be more effective in some certain aspect. For Instagram, okay, and then LinkedIn. So how a particular objective can be achieved through a very structured way of action in the social media platform. So here in this case as well, Greta Thunberg was tweeting a particular set of document kept by somebody else, which can be utilized for following the instruction, by which if everybody uniformly act as per the instruction, a Twitter storm can be made, or the agitation or the movement can be can get a wider and massive reach. That was a simple idea for that toolkit. So this is not a Google toolkit. Rather, it's called toolkit, by which the action is planned and the instruction is kept for the common purpose. So this is made in a Google document and kept it in a place. Okay, kept it in a server. So it's a Google document which is used. The similar toolkits were used in many places, like recently in Hong Kong, where there was an anti-China protest was happening. So people were following a toolkit. For example, many were traced based on their face identity captured in a camera. So camera, even with the artificial intelligence, they were able to identify, track person's identity, address, and they were individually harassed. To avoid that, the toolkit suggested, the protesters should use a mask and a helmet, so that it will be protected from the camera vision, and also they will be safe at the time of tear gas or any police intervention. So this is an example of toolkit. So coming to the business or an industry or our professional side, even for many departments, many organizations will follow a toolkit. For a sales team, there should be a toolkit by which how to prospect, how to approach a customer, how to list down the approach, how to make a funnel, how to write an email, how to present a quote, how to go for a business closure, how to set for a installation or post sales follow up, how to closure, how to follow for the payment. Different actions can be instructed in a common way by virtue of certain learning in the past. Okay, so there can be different toolkit for a B2B approach and a B2C approach. So similar way, a training and development department will have a toolkit how to address the trainees, how to select the trainers, what should be the training module, what should be the medium of training, what should be the event, how should be the event, what should be the duration. So many actions, how should be the training assessment, all can be put together in a toolkit. Okay, similar way, the operation side, how to plan for the operations, planning, production planning, maintenance, many department. Come to the personal development or an examination, even the students can be given a toolkit. That means a set of instruction how to prepare for the examination, how to prepare for the yearly examination, and how to prepare for a competitive examination, and how to prepare for maths oriented subjects, how to prepare for social science related subjects. So many streams can have a different strategy. Okay, so this is a simple term toolkit. Okay, and in going forward, we can certainly familiarize with toolkits used in the various departments, various functions in the business world and also in the industry. And stay tuned, be together. Bye.